Find the derivative of y equal to log x. That is, differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x, we have to differentiate. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to d by dx of log x. So this equal to dy upon dx equal to 1 by x. That is first derivative. First derivative or first order. So differentiate once again. Again, with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative of this equal to d square y upon dx square, and this equal to so derivative of this equal to minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square. Observe here, because dy dx of 1 by x equal to dy dx of x raised to minus 1, that is minus 1 x raised to minus 2 minus 1 upon x square. So that is minus 1 upon x square is the answer for this one. Now find the derivative of y equal to x cube log x. Here x cube is one function, log x is one function. Therefore, apply the product rule to find the derivatives. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to x cube dy dx of log x plus log x dy dx of x cube. Product rule, fx dy dx of gx, gx dy dx of fx. This equal to x cube, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x, derivative of x cube is 3x square, 3x square. Therefore, so here x is 1x is get cancels, x square plus 3x square log x. So we have to differentiate once again this function. So this derivative of derivative. Therefore, differentiate again with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of this equal to d square y upon dx square equal to dy dx of x square plus dy dx of x square log x, 3x square log x. So therefore, this equal to derivative of x square is 2x plus 3 into bracket. Again it is product rule. Apply the product rule here. X square dy dx of log x plus log x dy dx of x square. This equal to 2x plus 3 into this 3x square. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x, or take this like this, plus log x, derivative of x square is 2x. So here 1x get cancels. This equal to 2x plus 3x plus 3 into this 6x log x is the answer. This equal to 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 6x log x. So this much is sufficient. Or take x common here, x into bracket 5 plus 6 log x. Find second derivative of e raised to x sin 5x. Again, product rule. Product rule is there. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to e raised to x dy dx of sin 5x product rule plus sin 5x dy dx of e raised to x fx gx gx fx. This equal to e raised to x. Here it is composite function sin ax. Derivative of sin is cos 5x and derivative of 5x is 5 plus sin 5x derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. This equal to 5 e raised to x cos 5x plus e raised to x sin 5x. So even in this case we can write this as y. So this equal to y. Therefore this equal to 5 e raised to x cos 5x plus this is equal to y, because e raised to x sin 5x is equal to y, because this is 1. So from 1 differentiating again. So differentiating again with respect to x. Therefore d square y by dx square equal to d square. Here it is again composite function. This equal to 5 into bracket e raised to x dy dx of cos 5x plus cos 5x dy dx of e raised to x plus dy dx of y. So this equal to 5 into bracket e raised to x cos 5x is minus sin 5x and derivative of 5x is 5 plus cos 5x derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus, so this is equal to dy by dx. So this equal to, so take this or multiply this with this one. So 5 into 5 25 e raised to x sin 5x followed by minus sign plus 5 e raised to x cos 5x plus dy by dx. Or here at this stage, if you put the value of dy by dx, that is value of dy by dx is 5 e raised to x cos x plus e raised to x sin 5x. So we will get the answer. So till then, so this much is sufficient. So substitute this value, that is this value in this equation. So 5 e raised to x cos 5x plus e raised to x sin 5x for dy by dx. So put this in this equation. So dy by dx value is equal to this one. Then simplify the answer. So dy by dx is equal to this one. So previous result. So therefore observe here e raised to x sin x, e raised to x sin 5x, e raised to x sin 5x. So minus 25 ab plus ab, this equal to minus 24 ab. E raised to x sin x, minus 24 plus 1, minus 25 plus 1, minus 24, minus 24 e raised to x sin 5x plus 5ab plus 5ab. So similarly 5ab plus 5ab, this equal to 10ab. 5ab 10 e raised to x cos x. So this equal to 10 e raised to x cos x minus 24 e raised to x sin 5x. So 5x it is. Cos 5x minus 24 e raised to x sin 5x. So this equal to, take 2 e raised to x, this into bracket 5 cos 5x minus 12 sin 5x. So to find the second derivative of y equal to tan inverse x. So first differentiate with respect to x, dy upon dx equal to dy dx of tan inverse x. You know this one, 1 upon 1 plus x square. 1 upon 1 plus x square. Differentiating again with respect to x. So at present context, so consider here 1 upon x square, or you can take multiply of cross multiply this one also. So at the same time I will solve both here, both type of answer I will give here. Therefore a square y by dx square equal to fx upon dx 1 plus x square dy dx of 1 minus 1 dy dx of 1 plus x square, this divided by 1 plus x square bracket square, this equal to 1 plus x square, this into 0 derivative of constant, minus 1 into 0 plus 2x, this divided by 1 plus x square bracket square, this equal to minus, this becomes a 0 and this becomes minus 2x, 1 plus x square bracket square. So this one. So the same problem you will solve in this way also. 1 plus x square dy by dx equal to 1. 1 plus x square, cross multiply and differentiate. So here apply product rule. 1 plus x square dy by dx of dy by dx plus dy by dx of 1 plus x square. So this equal to derivative of 1 dy dx of 1 plus x square d square y by dx square, derivative of dy by dx plus dy by dx into dy by dx into derivative of this one, derivative of this equal to 0 plus 2x, this equal to 0. So dy by dx of derivative of 1 plus x square, therefore 1 plus x square d square y by dx square equal to, so this is 2x plus 2x dy by dx, this equal to 0. Therefore 1 plus x square dy upon dx d square y by dx square, this equal to minus 2x divided by 1 plus 2x into dy upon dx. So this goes to RHS and this becomes minus. Therefore d square y by dx square equal to minus 2x divided by, so this 1 plus x square into dy by dx.